Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record the shows on the Spectrum TV app on Roku in 2026. Now, if you want to save the live TV, sports or movies to watch later, Spectrum's cloud DVR makes it super easy for you to do it. So in this video, I will walk you through each of these steps one by one. First of all, you need to open the Spectrum TV application on your Roku TV or on Roku device. Just make sure that first of all you sign in into your Spectrum account. So once you are inside, on the top you are going to see these types of tabs. So among these you just have to look for the live TV or the guide option. So you can also press the guide button or you can select the guide menu with the help of your remote. So when you are here on this particular page, you just have to simply look for the channels or the programs that you want to record. So after selecting it, you just have to basically press OK. So as soon as you press OK, you are going to see a record button in front of you. So again, you just have to press the OK button in order to basically start recording. If it asks you for confirmation, you just have to confirm it. So that's it. The show will now scheduled to record in the cloud. If the show is already playing live, it will start recording from that moment forward. Now, if it is a future show or series, you will usually see the options like record the episode or record all of the episodes or record a specific episode. So you can choose based on your own preferences. So to watch your recordings, you just have to basically go back to the main menu, then select the option of DVR. In the DVR option, you are going to see all of the recordings. So you can just simply select them and start playing them right away. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.